Hello, just a little update from the North Powys area. Since I last did a video, we've had some funding from the Powys Welsh Church Act Fund, which is allowing us to work with children and young people in the North Powys area. So at the moment we're chatting to Credit Young Carers, who are organising a summer camp for young carers in the North Powys area. So the idea there is that we can work with them to put on a storytelling workshop or two, and then they can hopefully build something which they can then present at the Big Creddy weekend, which is at the start of August this year. But also talking to local schools in the area. One of those is Llanfwllyn High School and the drama department there, and we're looking to work with them to have a storytelling session in Welsh and in English, and give the drama students an opportunity to have some face-to-face learning, and after the couple of years they've had, I think that would be really useful, and just to enhance what they're learning already. We're organising a story walk for local storytellers in the Mid Wales area, so that will give them a space to perform to each other and get feedback as storytellers without an audience. That will probably happen in the Welsh Pool or Newtown, so I'm going to go on a few more walks this weekend and hopefully pick a walk for that. It'll be near somewhere where people can get public transport, so it's quite accessible. So if you're interested in joining that, please get in touch, you'd be very welcome to join. We'll be having some storytelling sessions in the Oriel Davies Gallery soon as well. That will probably echo either their exhibition programme or might also feed into some of their learning programmes such as Crew Kelv. Yeah, there's lots happening in the background, so hopefully when we have some more details set we can start advertising and letting you know how you can get involved too.